Hey everyone. So I'm going to do an 11 by 14 flip cup, maybe a little dirty pour in there as well. I mixed up a mica powder with my medium and Floetrol. It's like a salmon metallic. It's really pretty when it's dry. And this is a copper bronze mix, rose gold. Actually, it's rose gold. Sorry. It is a rose gold mica powder and metallic paint mixed together. And I have some, I guess it would be deep magenta, more on the amethyst side, as well as this metallic here. And some black. I'm going to use a little bit of brown. Some yellow ochre and some gold, and this is bright gold. So I have 4 metallics here, so that'll give it some depth. So with that being said, let's do 2 cups. And I may do a little side cup. I'm going to move that canvas out of the way, because I might do some pouring on there. If I don't use it, then I'll just do it on a small canvas. I sell those little canvases with the easels, so it won't go to waste. It's cute because I used to work at a bakery, and when I quit working there, I started baking from home before my brother-in-law got ill. And I have quite a few girls that still buy baked goods from me. So anyone that purchased baked goods from me this past year, I gave them all the little paintings with the easels as a thank you gift. So I actually got a text yesterday from one of the girls, and she shows it to me on her desk. It's cute. So, all right. I don't want brown on the bottom. I want gold on the bottom, because gold's gonna sink. Gold is like the alternative white, except it doesn't leave any lacing behind like I wished it did. Well, some. You can get some out of it. And I'm going to make a hot mess with this one. I already know it. So I'm going to follow that with black. We're going to use this twice probably. And then I'm going to use the brown. I hate when I mix up brown and it's just not dark enough. Do y'all have that problem? I've tried it with black, mixing it with black, and it just doesn't make a very pretty color. I probably need to add a little yellow to it or something to get the color that I'm looking for. This is the yellow ochre. Okay, so now I want to go with the rose gold. And then I'm going to follow that with the stark magenta. I'm really hoping this dries plummy, and I don't have it out here to see what color it is. And we'll follow that with the salmon mica. And then the amethyst. So I'm going to set this cup aside because I'm not going to do anything but stir it. And we're going to go ahead and do another round. when I was mixing up black today, I came to the bottom of my tube and I cut it open. You will not believe how much paint is in that tube when you think it's empty. I made 2 cups of paint with that little bit that was in there. So don't throw your tubes away. I know it's messy, but cut them open. Use up the paint. All right. So, do I want to put brown on that gold? I went a little out of order there. That's okay. It's all there. I'm probably going to regret this yellow ochre. I don't have good luck with this color either. Okay, rose gold. It's a weird color combination, isn't it? We shall see. I'm going to use that up too. I feel like this cup needs another hit of black. I'm going to have the black to offset all these bright colors when they dry. Okay. I did not put any white in here. I think I have some black here. Yes. Okay, I just want to give them a little mix. Get you back in frame. This is way, way, way too much paint for this size canvas. I just wonder if I should try 1 cup. And then pour the other one around it. I think I'll do that. And then we'll pour that other cup on a 8x10 on my rack. This will take care of the edges for us. Well, that's cool. I'm just hoping I don't have too much amethyst salmon in there and enough black to counteract. That's pretty. lose it all. All that metallic's going to sink, so I'm not worried about that. Go ahead and torch it. Okay, I need to move that cup of paint before I knock that over. Be pretty on my garage floor, wouldn't it? I'm just going to move it around. Hopefully we can bring some more of that black up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my corner there. Bring it back to the middle. And we're going to hit this side slowly. See all that color underneath? That's all going to come up. That sound you hear running is my heater, in case you're wondering. Background noise. I'm glad I didn't put both those cups on there. We would have been way, way, way too much paint. So one of my friends on Facebook actually messaged me this morning asking me how much paint to use on 11 by 14. And I told her, I believe it was 12 ounces of paint. And that's about what I put on there. So you don't want to, be short, because then you're stretching everything. You can slowly move the paint around. But when I don't use enough paint, that's when you get all your lines, because you're stretching it way too far to get it over the edge. And I don't have problems with cracking and crazing. The only time I've had problems with my paint cracking was last week when I painted out here in the garage and it was below freezing, and it was my house paint. And it chipped and peeled. And I showed it on the last video. Well, not the last video, but other video. But this is what it does. It's horrible. It was a beautiful painting, and it's ruined. So I did redo this painting yesterday, and that will be on a video that you'll see from last week probably. But yeah, it was very sad. I see something right here. Don't you hate it when you can't get them? There, I got it. So I'm going to leave this alone and let it develop. And you will see the dried results on another video. I think it's beautiful. I can't wait to see what this is going to do, because that's the metallic sitting on top, so it's going to sink, and it's going to bring, you can see where it's already brought some of this gold and black up, so, but it'll be cool. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe below, and click on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share. Leave a comment, and I will answer you back, whether you like it or not. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and that's where you'll be notified with all the events that are going to be happening with my Etsy store. You'll be the first to know when it's open. It's already open. There's just nothing in there. I've had that store since 2006. But there's nothing in there. So, yeah. That was a great color combo. I'm happy with it. So we'll see what it does as it dries. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.